Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll be guiding you through how to use the client list import via our direct integrations using My Workpapers. To begin, select the clients list in the My Files drop-down arrow. Once within the list of clients, select the Import Clients option at the top right-hand corner. This will show our SMSF direct client import integrations. For this example, we will use class to import the clients. Next, enter your Class Super username and password, then click Connect. Should you wish for My Workpapers to store your username and password for the session you are logged into, select Remember Credentials for this session. For step 2 of the import process, select the appropriate business as well as the appropriate brand. Note that if there is only one brand, this will be automatically selected for you. Here, we will be able to select which funds we wish to import, either being individual funds or by selecting the tick box at the top of the list to select all funds. When ready, click Import All to move to step 3 of the process. On step 3 of the import process, you will be provided with a summary of the results of the import, including funds which we've created as part of the import, funds which we've skipped as they've been previously imported, and there may be funds which we have identified as being similar from your existing client list. For this example, there are 9 new created funds, 1 existing fund, and no similar funds. Please note, for each fund that has been identified as similar, you are required to either link and merge, create a new client, or simply leave it, resulting in the client fund from class not being imported. Once you've worked your way through all of the funds, simply click on the Client List tab at the top to return to our client list. At any point in time, you are able to filter the client list by those funds which have been linked to the Class Super. Simply press the Select Filters option, select Client Type, and identify those linked to the Class Super. Simply update the search filter, which will display all funds related to Class Super as indicated by the Class Super icon on the right-hand side of the client. At any point in time, you are able to access any of these clients and view the client details, which will be imported from class by simply clicking on the client where you'll be prompted to import the details from class. Select the user type and click the Import button. We've previously stored our credentials and just click Connect. And all of the details have been imported from class, including fund details such as the trust deed date, jurisdiction of the trust deed, deed type, and so forth. To refresh the details of any client, simply select the drop-down arrow next to the Class Super icon and select Re-import from class. This will refresh all of the details for the client, and there are also prompts for this through the Create New File menu as well as the Roll Forward menu. At any point in time, we're also able to drill down into the Class Super client by selecting the drop-down arrow again and selecting View this fund in Class Super. Select Login and you'll be redirected to the Class Super dashboard with the fund details being displayed. To finish off, whenever you wish to refresh your client list or import any new clients, you simply go through the same process as before by clicking Import Clients, select the appropriate client import, selecting the appropriate business, and importing all of the funds. As we can see here, in this example, all of the funds which we have previously imported already exist, therefore no new funds have been imported. If you require any further assistance with this feature, please do not hesitate to contact our support desk or view our help centre.